Thank you for considering the screen-tight garage screen door system. It's important to measure your garage door opening carefully before purchasing this product. Here are a few tips for getting an accurate measurement. All measurements are of your garage door opening, not the garage door itself. This product installs in front of your garage door. All measurements are of your garage door opening from the exterior of your home. There can be slight variations in measurements, so be sure to measure your opening at multiple points. Do not include weather stripping trim in your measurement. First, measure the height of your opening at 3 points: left, center, and right. All height measurements are required to be within the range of 84 to 84.5 inches. If your opening is less than 84 inches, this product will not work for your garage. Measure the width of your opening at 2 points, the top and the bottom. For the 9-foot garage door model, your width must be a minimum of 107.5 inches and a maximum of 108.5 inches. For the 8-foot garage door model, your width must be a minimum of 95.5 inches and a maximum of 96.5 inches. Be sure to measure carefully to ensure this product is right for you. Thank you for considering the screen-tight garage screen door system.